Everyone, my name is Sanjana. I'm studying 8th class. Welcome to Atal Tinkering Lab, Sri Ramakrishna Hindu High School. This lab is established Atal Innovation Mission, Government of India. Now we are entering a school. This is great freedom fighter statues. This is our school campus. Our school campus is full greenery in a lodge. Here also there are some freedom fighter statues. This is Lord Buddha statue. Now we are entering a Atal Thinking Lab. This is our dining hall. Now we are entering a Atal Tinkering Lab. Hi students, tell me this project components.
Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper cables, LEDs.
Hi students, tell me this project name.
Keypad door lock system.
Hi students, tell me this project components.
This project name is weather station. We use some components in this project like 16 into 2 LED attached with a MCD module, Infinity chip, Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper cables and buzzer. Thank you.
Holding station. This is one of the most important section of lab. Join into electric components and circuit board. Here some students are coding in a Atal Thinking Lab. 3D printer. The 3D printer are used in students. Students are doing the 3D printer and 3D designs. These are our lab project, lab components. These are also our lab components. This is some projects. This is our drilling station. Drilling station, workstation help students create whole PCD board, work with wood, plastic and metals. Sewing machine. Our lab also include a sewing machine. Select fabric based innovation, wearable technology. This is our lab code. This is our lab tools. Some students, some students are writing a notes. The view of Atal of 360 degrees of Atal Thinking Lab. Thanks for giving this opportunity.